Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to do this right here. And they send me the file that they used, and I'm just going to kind of start from scratch. Control D to make a duplicate, double click on the rotation and put it to that node and rotate it 22.5 degrees. That gets you this shape. But what their problem is, if they take it now and go to the drop shadow and do the interior drop shadow and go like that, they no longer can Control D, double click on the rotation, but there's no rotation because we're still in drop shadow mode. So what you have to do to make this work, go up to object and break. Okay, I'd already made a copy. Take this, go up to object and break the interior shadow apart. Now I'm going to move that out of the way. Let me just delete these for a second. And now I can take this and Control D, double click on the rotation and put it here and rotate it 22.5 degrees. Control D, Control 45. And then nudge your drop shadow back over. Control D. See how it got darker? Put it on the node and look, now my rotation's back. I put 255, 22.5, and then Control D. Whenever you mess up, it does that. Control D, it's still there, 45, Control D, Control D. This one doesn't look as good as the one I did. I put too much shadow on it, but it's still cool. So that's the only way I know. I'm going to dig into that and see if there's not a way to get the rotation there all the time. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.